Hello, this is Marco from Wheezy.io, and in today's video tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create custom email subject lines on Gmerge Plus. What we want to achieve is to have a subject line that would be dynamic and take information from another cell from your spreadsheet. In this example, it would be training program 4, then the dynamic information, which would be name. This involves taking information from a column, and I'll show you how to set this up. In this case, I have the Gmerge Plus demo sheet open and the add-on sidebar loaded on the right-hand side. We're working with a training program worksheet. Column information include the full name, training programs, and inclusive dates. It's very easy to specify a column for your email subject under the Mail Merge section. First, let's add a column that we can set as the subject line. We'll add one here and call that email subject. Next up, let's refresh the add-on data and select the header name on the email subject drop-down menu. Once that is done, we can now specify a function that will create our dynamic subject line. We'll use double quote for the training program text, space, then close that with another double quote. To get information from cell A2, we'll add the ampersand symbol and point to A2. The resulting preview shows training program for John. And you're all set. What we now have is a formula that we can copy over to the other cells. And just a few reminders. Copying over the formula to other cells means Gmerge Plus would also create merges for these rows. One solution would be to only copy the formula to rows you wish to process. Alternatively, you can create a filter so the add-on would only process those rows that fit a particular set of criteria. To do that, click on the gear icon on the sidebar to open the add-on settings. Next, we'll create a filter to help Gmerge Plus decide which rows to process. In this case, we'll select full name as the criteria column, set the operator to not empty, add this to the list, then click on Save. Finally, let's run a mail merge campaign to see how the customized subject line looks like, as well as verify if our filters work. In this case, we're expecting 4 rows to be processed, while the rest would be ignored. True enough, the summary report confirms this. Checking one inbox, we can see that the customized subject line worked. It's that easy to create customized email subject lines on Gmerge Plus. So just a few reminders. Only apply the text formula to cells that you wish to process. Alternatively, you can create a filter so that Gmerge Plus would only process non-empty cells. In this case, our criteria was full name. This is Marco from Wheezy.io. Thank you for joining me today. Please stay tuned for future video tutorials on Gmerge Plus. Until next time, goodbye!